How to fix App Store keeps asking for password? Are you always in situations where the App Store asks you to enter your password? This is annoying for many Apple users. Luckily, here's how you can stop the App Store from asking for a password. Well, let's find out more about it. Part 1. Why is App Store asking for password? There are many possible reasons causing that Apple App Store keeps asking for password. When you are preparing to install a new app or purchase apps and games in the App Store, then you are required to enter the password to confirm. In addition to that, the following are some reasons why the App Store keeps asking for your password. Reason 1. App Store updates. The App Store periodically checks for updates to installed apps on your iPhone. When updates are available, it may prompt you to enter your password to authenticate your Apple ID and proceed with the update. Reason 2. Account verification. If you recently signed in to a new device or made changes to your Apple ID account settings, the App Store might request your password as a security measure to ensure that it is really you trying to access your account. Reason 3. Purchase confirmation. When you attempt to download or purchase an app, the App Store will require your password to confirm the transaction. This prevents unauthorized purchases and helps maintain the security of your Apple ID. Reason 4. Family sharing. If you are a part of a family sharing group, the App Store may ask for your password when someone else in the group is trying to make a purchase. This is to authorize the purchase and prevent unauthorized charges. Reason 5. App Store glitch. In some cases, there may be a temporary glitch or issue with the App Store itself, causing it to repeatedly ask for your password. If this is the case, you can try signing out of your Apple ID, restarting your iPhone, and then signing back in to see if it resolves the problem. Part 2. How to make App Store stop asking for password. If you find that the App Store continues to prompt you for your password excessively or under unusual circumstances, it may be worth trying the following methods to fix this issue. Solution 1. Force restart iPhone. The easiest way to stop App Store asking for password is to force restart iPhone. The steps of restarting an iPhone are different according to device models. If you don't know how to force restart iPhone, then you can follow the picture. Solution 2. Check for iPhone update. Another option for fixing this issue is to check for iPhone update. Make sure that your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. Sometimes, the iOS version results in this issue. To check and update iOS on your iPhone, do the following steps. Open the Head to Settings and choose General on your iPhone, then tap Software Update. Find an iOS update available and tap Download and Install. After downloading the update, tap Install Now. Solution 3. Update all apps on iPhone. All providers constantly release the latest version of apps in the App Store. You can update all apps installed on the iPhone to the latest version. After updating all apps on your iPhone, your problem can be resolved. Open the App Store and tap your profile icon at the top of the screen. Scroll to see which apps can be updated, then tap Update All. Solution 4. Change App Store settings. The settings of the App Store can be changed according to your own demands. If you don't want to enter your password every time when you make a purchase, you can require a password every 15 minutes or turn off Require Password for free downloads. Here's how to. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap your Apple ID name. Tap Media and Purchases and select Password Settings in the pop-up window. Under Require Password, select Require after 15 minutes. Go on to turn off the toggle next to Require Password under Free Downloads. Solution 5. Disable iMessage and FaceTime. iMessage and FaceTime on the iPhone can also cause the App Store keeps asking for password issue. Because iMessage and FaceTime are directly connected to your App Store ID. In this case, you can disable iMessage and FaceTime and then enable them again. Follow the below steps. Locate Settings on your iPhone and tap FaceTime or iMessage. Slide the switch to disable FaceTime or iMessage. Wait for a while and go to Enable FaceTime or iMessage. Solution 6. Change password for Apple ID. When there is a problem with your Apple ID password, you would be constantly asked to enter the password for confirming. To resolve this issue once and for all, you can go to reset a new password for your Apple ID. Here's how to change the password for Apple ID. Go to reset a new password for your Apple ID, click Apple menu, click System Settings, then select your Apple ID name. Click Password and Security and change password. Enter the password used to unlock your Mac and start changing the password. Solution 7. Enable Face/Touch ID for App Store. If the App Store keeps asking for password instead of Touch ID or Face ID, you can go to Enable Face ID or Touch ID for installing apps in the App Store. After enabling Face ID or Touch ID, you can install apps from the App Store without entering the password. Go to Enable Face ID or Touch ID for installing apps in the App Store. In the Settings app, tap Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Password. In the next screen, turn on the toggle next to iTunes and App Store. Now you can use Face ID to purchase content from the App Store. Solution 8. Avoid installing apps from unknown sources. In fact, iPhone users are only allowed to download and install apps from the App Store. The app downloaded from third-party sources would lead some unexpected problems, such as App Store constantly asking for password. Thus, you should avoid installing apps from unknown sources, which can cause some problems on your iPhone. Solution 9. A wonderful unlocker tool. MagFone iPhone Unlocker. What to do if the Apple Store keeps asking for password after trying the above methods? Well, here we recommend that you use an unlocking tool like MagFone iPhone Unlocker. It is a powerful unlocking tool for removing various types of locks, such as screen passcode, Face ID, Touch ID, Apple ID, screen time passcode, and MDM. With the help of MagFone software, you can unlock someone else's Apple ID on an iPhone. Here's how to stop App Store from asking for the password by using MagFone iPhone Unlocker. Step 1. Open MagFone software and connect iPhone to computer. To begin with, use a USB cable to establish a connection between your iPhone and computer. Then start MagFone iPhone Unlocker on the computer and select the Unlock Apple ID option. Step 2. Go to confirm the device status. Before deleting Apple ID, make sure that the status of the Find My iPhone feature. If it's enabled, you need to confirm that you have set up the screen passcode and two-factor authentication on your device. Step 3. Download and verify the firmware package for iPhone. After confirming your device status, check the device information and manually correct the wrong information. Then click on the download button to download the firmware package. Step 4. Start to remove Apple ID from iPhone without password. Once completing the download, click the Unlock button to remove Apple ID from your iPhone. In the process of removing Apple ID, stays connected until your Apple ID is removed. Conclusion. It's just that it can be kind of annoying to feel you have to enter the password in the App Store. When the App Store keeps asking for password, then you can try the above methods to stop the App Store from asking for password. Or you can use MagFone iPhone Unlocker to remove someone else's Apple ID in the App Store. If you found these tips useful, please leave more comments. Thanks for watching.